Stop. Just stop. You're losing slots before you even open your mouth. Agents on Poppo Live make a decision on the first 3 seconds of seeing your face. Not your talent, not your personality, your lighting, your background, your sound. And if you look like you're streaming from a basement in the dark, they scroll past you instantly. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need a $2,000 camera. You don't need a studio. You need 3 things, and I'm going to give them to you right now. Number 1, light. Not expensive light. Smart light. A $15 ring light from Amazon or your local market. Placed at eye level, not below your chin. That alone removes shadows and makes your eyes pop. Number 2, background. A blank wall, a tied corner, a curtain. That's it. No messy beds, no laundry, no distractions. Agents want clean environment. Clean looks professional. Professional gets booked. Then number 3, sound. Your phone's microphone is fine. If you're in a quiet room, no fans, no echoes, but a towel under your door. Test your audio before you go live. That's the formula. $15 ring light, clean wall, quiet room, stunning. Agents aren't looking for the most talented host. They're looking for the most professional host. The one who looks ready. The one who looks easy to promote. And starting today, that's going to be you. But I didn't give you everything. I have a full Poppo Live Setup Checklist. Exact ring light links, background ideas, audio tests, and the lighting diagram you can copy in 10 minutes. Here's your move. Open the description, click the Telegram link, join my free group, type the word stunning in the chat. I'll send you the checklist instantly. No fluff, no upsell, just a setup that gets agents to notice you. Do it now before your next live stream, because the next slot you lose, that's money someone else is making. Telegram link, description. Type stunning, go. I will see you inside.